The lights went out in Massachusetts. Currently 14 for the WEBC. Fantabulous 40 on the Saturday night. It's now 13 before 8 o'clock. That's Billion Dream Stampede time.
Have you ever asked what they mean when some product is sold to you with a lifetime guarantee? Whose lifetime? Yours or the product's? Does a teenager get a better guarantee than a senior citizen? It's confusing. Hart skis are guaranteed for a lifetime if the edges come off or the layers separate, which is known to skiers as delamination. But the Ski Hut, your local Hart ski dealer, is ready to define lifetime. It's as long as you own your Harts. 10 years, 50 years. Yes, if your Hart edges rip out or the skis delaminate, just return the skis and Hart will repair or replace them without charge. And if you break or damage your skis within the first 2 years, Hart will repair or replace them free. Now, there's a guarantee, and only Hart can offer it because only Hart makes a ski that good. The Ski Hut has Hart skis, from fun skis for beginners all the way to the expert skis for the hot shots. And they start at only $89.50. Hart skis from the Ski Hut, 1032 East 4th Street in Duluth.
WEBC plays more hits more often.
Attention all bands, rock combos, swing and aggregations, great groups. If all you've needed to make it is a break, here it is. It's the WEBC Tito's Pizza Battle of the Bands. What a step to stardom. The winner receives a recording contract and 5 million records scratched from the session. The big night is Saturday, December 2nd in Palucci Hall from 8 to 1. Call WEBC during business hours, and it's no charge. You can register your band. If you don't play in a band, just keep tuned to WEBC for more details, because you can still get in on the fun with the WEBC Tito's Pizza Battle of the Bands. Tonight, you know, over at the Virginia Miners Memorial Building, that's right, it's Dave Gordon and the Expressmen. They join the Hungry Dog Productions for a big bash at the Virginia Miners Memorial Building from 9 till midnight. A must for tonight. You get over there, okay? And you just got about an hour and 10 minutes to make it over there to the Virginia Miners Memorial Building for that big bash with Dave Gordon and the Expressmen.
Tom Elwood.
Good evening.
WEBC, Channel 56.
These are the Titans.